Today we are going to learn format value activity in UiPath Studio. This will help to extract date from Excel sheet.
So let's begin. So click on the process. So I'm going to create like extract, okay, extract date from Excel. Okay, so create it. So we need one Excel sheet for extracting the date of that one. So once it is created, okay, let's open main file. So first of all, I will take one sequence. Okay, then we will execute through the Excel application scope. Now let's open the Excel sheet or create Excel sheet. So here I'm going to create the Excel sheet with the date formats. This needs to open. Here it is. Save date time, it's not there. Let me open the project location. Okay, extract date format. Okay, here I'm going to create an Excel file, new Excel file. It's a data. So here let me give the column name date, and here I'm going to put a date in a different format. Let's say 20th of July, okay, or let's say 07 or July, maybe July 2020. Okay, similar I will take 2 or 3 datas. Okay, let's say these are the dates of the July month. Okay, and remember these are in custom mode. Okay, otherwise it will throw an error or it will give the random data. Let's save this data. Okay, now come to again our panel, then give the path of that particular data here. Okay, now first of all, we have to take one read range activity for reading all the data from this Excel sheet. So assign one variable by putting Control K. Okay, dt. Let me give output. Okay, dt output data table. Okay, it is stored in the form of data table. Okay, next we'll take one variable called for each row for accessing all the items from this what can say the Excel for each row. Okay, then here in this case I have to access all the like data from this data table. Okay, then accessing the particular element from Excel, we are going to assign one get row item, assign a variable name for that one, assign a variable name, let's say uh, get output, Control K, press enter. Okay, now and we have to assign the which row. Here I'm going to write the column name which was already mentioned, that is date. Okay, remember this value which is assigned in Excel format, which is there in the date format, if you copy as it is, it will not work. Okay, so you want to in a customized format, we have set format activity. So we have one activity called as format value. Okay, format value activity. So remember, whichever variable we have defined in get row item, that is get output. Okay, so here the by default variable type is string variable type. So for to use in this format value, you have to make it in generic format. Okay, convert the string format into generic format. If it is not there, in that you have to search out. Okay, generic. So here in system, here it is generic UiPath.system.activities under UiPath.core generic values. So set that variable type to as a generic type. Okay. Now, so get that variable and set the format. See, by clicking on set format, we have the number of options. So you can see here number, date time, then currency, then percentage. We require a date format. Here number of options are available in front of us, right? Number of options are available. What we are doing here, we are converting this get output format into required format. Okay, so let's click on date time. Then here we are going to change the format. Suppose this is month, day and year. Okay, let me keep as it is and we'll change further. Take on write line activity or message box to see the output. Okay, message box of activity. Then here write down the get output variable name. Done. So this is what the overall process what we have done or designed the sequence. So let me run this program and we'll get the format in month, day and year. Yes, so we got month here, in this case month, then day and year. Got this? I think we have 4 different data, that's why it's showing 4 times. That's it. So it's successfully run. Now suppose if anybody wants the format in any other suppose I want to display the month name, right? So let me write here DD. For month name you have to write 4 times capital M. Okay, this is what the format. And set it and click OK. Again run it. So here we are expecting the result, then day, name of the month and year. I think yes, we got the result here. So any format, whatever you are expecting, you can write over there. Okay, and of course you will get the answer or the result in that format. I hope you understood this logic. Let me rerun again. Let's see whether it will work or not. Yes, it is working in all kind of format. I hope you understood this logic. Please do subscribe to our official channel Figlearn for more interesting video like this. Thanks for watching this video.